Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. We will go through the day 14 problem from the May LeetCoding challenge. We need to implement a trie data structure with insert, search and starts with operations. Let's understand trie. It is a tree with pointers to character and a boolean variable isEnd to describe if it is an end of the word. You see it in use every day whenever you search a query on Google and it shows you a suggestion. Also, remember the T9 dictionary? Yes, it uses trie. The basic data structure for a trie has two attributes. First, the child node. Second, the boolean variable denoting if the character is the end of the word. Let's see its operation with an example. We will try to insert word apple into the trie. Initially, the root will be empty. For inserting a word, we will iterate through each character of the word and we will check if the trie already consists a link to the character. If yes, we update our current node to the node and move ahead. If not, we insert the character. We perform this for all the characters except the end character. For end character, we add it with isEnd of word as true. And if already present, we just update the node with isEnd of word flag set to true. Continuing with our example, we start with character A. Since its link is not present in the root, we insert the child node with character A and isEnd of word set to false. Similarly, we iterate through the string till we reach the last character. Now since we have reached the end, it triggers a special case. We will check if it is present. As it is not, we will create a child node with character E and isEnd of word set to true. Now we have this trie for our next operation. We will now try searching the word app in our trie. Before moving forward, let's go through the algorithm. We will iterate through the string and for each character we will check if the character is present in the trie. If not, we simply return false. If yes, we update the current node to point to the new node. We perform this for all the characters except the end character. For end character, we also check if the boolean flag indicating the end of word is true. Let's apply it on our example. We start searching A. As it is present and it is not the end of word, we update the root and move ahead. Similarly for P. Now we have reached the end of the word. We will check if the character and also check if the character found is end of the word. As in our case, we can see that the character P is present but its flag is false. We will return false. Let's try third type of operation, that is starts with. To find if there exists a word that starts with the prefix given, we will iterate through the prefix and search if this exists in the trie. If present, we return true. If not, we return false. Here, we do not have the end of character special case. Let's see it with our example. We will start with A, and as A is present, we move forward. As P is also present, we move forward. We have reached the last character, which is also present in the trie. So, we return true. Now, let's try inserting app. We start iterating through the trie to check if A, P, P is present. As we have reached the end of the input word, we will mark the isEnd of word flag to true. Now let's try searching app again. This time we have the exact word app with isEnd of word set to true for the last character P. So the program returns true. Here's the table with the time and space complexity for all the operations we performed in the trie. The link to the code is in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Check out my other videos for more interview problems. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Also, if you want me to make a video on one of your problem statement, do comment.